Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm here with Ilya, and Ilya is 9 months old. And Ilya was born 1 month premature, so he should be compared more to the 8-month-old children. Ilya can sit when placed, but he still falls out of sitting pretty easily. He can't get into sitting yet. He can roll to get where he wants. He can get to his hands and knees and rock, but cannot crawl. So he still needs a good bit more core strength to be able to sit consistently well without falling out of sitting. And one of the ways I love to work on that is balance reactions in sitting. Now, Ilya is really cute, so the way that often people want to hold Ilya is somewhere close to right here. But what he really needs to do is be out from you, where he has to work on his own balance reactions. So I sit kids out close to the end of my knees, and I can start introducing small movements with my knees to be able to challenge their balance. Now, Ilya's pretty strong here, so I'm able to hold, I guess with my hands, I'm getting the bottom of his belly and getting his legs. So I'm giving some support. A kid who was weaker, I'd have to hold all the way up here. But with him, I can be down lower. There we go. And I'm just going to try to lean him this way. And what I want to see is him leaning toward the uphill side. And I can lean him that way. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Lean him that way, and he leans toward the uphill side, which he's doing a nice job of. What I'm noticing is these balance reactions are not immediate. And there he is. So I wouldn't want to do this too fast. Just do slow and let him get his balance, and slowly go to the other side. You see all that jerking and moving? It's not smooth yet. So just go slow. You can add a little bounce to it if you want to add a little bit more of a challenge, but I'd go pretty slow. Right here on your end of your knees you take with you everywhere. You don't have to be down on the floor. It can be up on the couch. So it's an easy activity to work on sitting balance. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.